Harley-Davidson and your chance to win a trip to European Bike Week, including a 2-day guided Eagle Rider tour through the Alps. An opportunity for you to win one of two $5,000 gift cards. A chance for you to win a trip to Milwaukee for Harley-Davidson's homecoming. A chance for you to win a trip to the 85th annual Sturgis Motorcycle Rally at the Full Throttle Saloon. And your opportunity to win one of two incredible Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Welcome to Rolling Milwaukee to Sturgis. Swing into the dealership today, register to win. You can increase your chances to win every time you visit the dealership. We're also giving away Bertello pizza ovens. We're giving away wristbands to go to the Harley-Davidson Museum. We're giving away wristbands to camp at the Full Throttle Saloon's Pappy Hoyle Campground in Sturgis. So many opportunities for you to win. Get in, register today. We are rolling Milwaukee to Sturgis.